All right, I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while since I posted a video. I just been busy with life, and anyway, I've been driving the truck for a couple months now, and it's doing really well. No issues with the clutch or transmission or anything like that. It shifts good. I mean, I guess it's manual, so I shift good. But it's doing well, and really no troubles out of it. Um, but I've been driving around with no boot in the center console there. Or no, it's just so when the truck warms up, it's just hot heat coming from the motor right up through that hole. So we're going to get that taken care of today, and I'm going to do some modifications. I don't want to put the original Ranger. I don't want to put the Ranger boot on it. I want to do an F-150 style boot, so I still have some metal stick exposed, rather than having the Ranger style where the boot comes all the way up to the shifter knob. I would rather have a different style. So I got a shifter boot off of about a 2002 F-150, and then I've got the base plate that boot screws to off the Ranger. So anyway, we're going to do some measurements and do some cutting and drilling, and anyway, we'll get this thing put in real quick. I've just been neglecting it, and it's time to put it on. So I'm going to show you that process, and we'll go from there. So that's what it looks like right now. It just hole through the floorboard, still the carpet exposed, come right up through my Explorer console. And there's an F-150 boot, and then here's the base plate off a Ranger. You can see it says Ranger front, and then you turn it around. I guess it's for an Explorer. It says Explorer front. So I guess it's different for whatever you want to use it for. I'm going to use Ranger front. Although I've got a Explorer front console, I may need to do the Explorer one. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So the only issue I'm going to have is, see where these come to? They come right to the corners. And this here has a hole drilled here for, okay, they're right there and there rather than here. So I'm going to have to drill a little bitty hole there just to mock this. I need to have that like right here on each corner rather than here and here. So that's what we're going to do. I got to get a drill bit and just sink that in, and then make sure it fits good, and then go. Okay, so now I've got this cover off, and I've got this base plate just laid in there, and I've got this in neutral, and I've got the shifter boot, or the shifter itself off, and it's just kind of just laying in there right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make some measurements, and what we need to do is cut the carpet down, because this here has to lay, the carpet slides right here where my finger's at, and then this lays straight on the metal. So I'm going to get a knife and we'll make some measurements, measure this piece right here, just this little rubber piece that you see right here, and I want to cut a square out in the carpet. And then once the square's cut, it should lay flat down in there, and I'll take some self-tappers and screw right in. Okay, now we got our boot on, stick and knob, and she'll shift gears just like that, and we're not getting in any weather. So that's that. Probably gonna be a lot quieter driving too. All right, let's see what we got here. There it is. To the passenger side.